Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another pouring video. This is a really short video, but I wanted to show you what I made out of my old record pouring. And this is one of the end results. I made a clock out of it. So enjoy this short video. Please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, follow me on Facebook, Twitter or wherever you can find me. And thanks for all your sweet comments. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Bye bye everybody. This time I'm not going to sand it, but I am going to give it just a coat of paint. Because I think it might hold on better. In the last time I did this, that yellow part from the record was kind of shining a bit through, so if I just put a coat on, I think that problem is gone. And this time I'm just gonna do a pour. I don't know what's this gonna be like. We'll just see. Hello my YouTube and internet friends. My channel is all about showing you how you can do your art journaling, mixed media and crafting on a low budget. I make easy to follow process tutorial videos for art journaling and mixed media. My name is Ilona, better known on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram and WordPress as Picture for Life. Every Thursday you will find new and free easy tutorial videos for art journaling and mixed media. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and click the bell icon to follow me on my creative journey. I'm all about keeping it simple, even if it looks difficult. Trust me, it's not. This video was taped a long time ago, and just to let you know, I did some pouring videos before and I do not use any extra stuff, and I have a tutorial video on that and I will link that in the cards and in the video description below so you can find it, and I explain how I do this and so you can find it, and I explain how I do this and what I use. So be sure to check that out because I have a different technique. And I also have a video with 3 more different techniques. So I will link them both so you can find out more about this type of pouring video. No flute roll, no oils or any extra things. So join me for a new, fun and low budget mixed media project. Have fun watching! So far this is looking pretty good. Oh, I'm missing out here. Yeah, this one is thicker than this one. So the marbling effect, I think, happens more if I have it really runny. Let's make this one use more water so you can see the difference. Yeah, it's definitely much thicker. a lot more water now. See how it floats now. I need some more white here. Oops. That's too much. Oh, maybe we do need some. Look, I'm not going to add anything else. I like this one. Yep. Putting this aside to dry.